Student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today I am going to start your new exercise number 11.4. So I am taking the first question of this exercise, student. So firstly I am writing the question on the board. A garden is a garden is 90-meter long, 90-meter long and 75-meter broad. A path 5 meter wide, 5 meter wide to be built outside and around it, around it. Find the question is asking me, student, find the area of the path, also find the area of the garden, find the area of the garden in hectare. This is the question, student. This question is very most important, student, because if you are able to understand this question, it means you can solve the question number 2, 3, 4 and 5 also. अगर आप इसे समझ गए, इसका मतलब आप 2, 3, 4, 5 क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं, नंबर का क्वेश्चन. So very carefully, student, try to understand this. Firstly, the meaning of this question. A garden is 90-meter long and 75-meter broad. It means my garden is in the shape of rectangle, like this, student, like this, 90-meter long and, sorry students, right in the garden, 90-meter long and 75-meter broad. 75-meter broad. A path 5-meter wide to be built outside around it. 5-meter wide path is made to the outside of this garden, like this, student. Everywhere the wide is 5 meter, and this is 5 meter. This is the path, and this is the garden, student. Find the area of the path. Student, question is asking me area of the path, this shaded portion. We need to find out as area. What will be the area of this shaded portion? ये एरिया क्या होगा, ये मुझे बताना है. So, and again question is asking me, student, find the area of the garden also. we need to find out the area of the path and area of the garden also, but you will find the area of the garden in hectare, So student, if we write the name of this rectangle, means where we are planting the plants, this is the garden. So student, if we write the name A, B, C and D, P, Q, R and S. So student, firstly question is, which information is given in the question? Firstly note it down student. Length of the garden, length of the garden is equal to 19 meter and breadth of the garden is equal to 75 meter. So student, question is asking me find the area of the garden in hectare. So by these two information we will able to find out the area of the garden. We can find out the area of the garden student. So my garden, and you are seeing in the figure that my garden is in the shape of rectangle. So we use the formula of rectangle for finding the area of the garden. So area of the garden is equal to area. So area of the garden is equal to area of rectangle ABCD. गार्डन का एरिया क्या होगा? इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल ABCD. सो एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल ABCD, लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ. सो लेंथ इज गिवन स्टूडेंट 90 मीटर ऑफ द गार्डन, 90 into 75. So multiply it. 9 5 ja 45, 4 is carry, 9 7 ja 63, 63 and 4 67, 1 0 you will increase. This is the meter square. This is the meter square. Area of the garden is equal to area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle 6750 meter square. This is the area of the garden. But question is asking me find the area in hectare. So student, we know that 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. 10,000 meter square. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. So how many hectare in 6,750 meter square? We have to divide by 10,000. So 6,750 meter square is equal to 6,750 upon 10,000. So student, when we divide by the 10,000, you can divide very well, I know. This will be 0.6750 hectare. Hectare. This is my first answer. एक आंसर आपने निकाल लिया, एरिया ऑफ द गार्डन इन हेक्टेयर. Second question is asking me find the area of the, look here, path. Find the area of the path. So student, for finding the area of the path, this shaded portion, firstly we find the length of the path. Otherwise you can write like this: length of the rectangle PQRS, length of rectangle PQRS. So length of the path you can write like this. Student, there is no space, so if you can take the screenshot, so you can take, and I'm going to erase it. So I have find out the first answer, student, here. Now for finding the second answer, student, we have to find out the length of the path and breadth of the path. So student, length of the path. Length of the path is, this is the 90 meter, and 5 meter, this distance is increased to the right side, means 5 meter length will be increased in 90 meter, and 5 meter to the left side also. 5 meter distance will increase to the left side. It means 10 meter distance increased in comparison of the garden length. So length of the path is equal to 90 plus 10 is equal to 100 meter. It's okay, student? And breadth of the path, this is the breadth, this is the length, and this is the breadth. So student, this is the 75 meter, and 5 meter is increased to the upside, and 5 meter increased to the bottom. So 10 meter will be increased in comparison of the length, breadth of the garden. So breadth of the garden, breadth of the path will be 75 plus 10, that is 85 meter. Now student, after this we find the area of the rectangle PQRS, included garden. Area of rectangle PQRS, included garden. इस पूरे बड़े से रेक्टेंगल का एरिया क्या होगा, क्योंकि लेंथ हमें पता हो गया 100 मीटर एंड ब्रेथ हमें पता हो गया दैट इज 85 मीटर. So we can find out the easily area, length into breadth, that is, length is student 100 and breadth is 85, that is 8500 meter square. It is the area of the rectangle PQRS, included garden, जिसमें पाथ भी है और गार्डन भी है. And I have erased, student, you have already find out the area of the garden. Area of the garden, length into breadth means 75 into 90, that is 9 5 45, 4 is carry, 9 7 is 63, 63 4, 67, that is 6,750. 6,750 you have already find out the area of the garden, and area of garden is equal to 6,750 meter square. You have already find out. So student, look here, if we subtract the area of the garden, area of the rectangle ABCD from the area of PQRS, अगर इस पूरे एरिया में से जिसमें गार्डन भी है, पाथ भी है, अगर मैं इस गार्डन के एरिया को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूं, सो इट मींस वी विल फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द पाथ ओनली. किसका एरिया बचेगा, कौन सा पार्ट बचेगा, शेडेड पोर्शन बचेगा. सो एरिया ऑफ द पाथ स्टूडेंट, एरिया therefore area of the path is equal to area of rectangle PQRS, area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD, and area of rectangle PQRS जिसमें आपका गार्डन भी है, that is you have already find out 8,500 minus area of the rectangle student, you have already find out in the first step 6,750. now subtract it student, 0 minus 0 0, 10 minus 5 5, and 14 minus 7, that is 7, and 7 minus 6 is equal to 1 meter square. 1,750 meter square is the area of the path. It means firstly you will find the area of the large rectangle in which path and garden is included, and after this you will find the area of the garden only, means rectangle ABCD, and in the last step you will subtract the area of the garden from the area of the rectangle PQRS included, in which the area included of the path and garden also. In this way student, you will find your answer, area of the path. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well. So student, according to this question you will solve the question number 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th are very easy student. Same type question are given in your book, as like I am reading the question number 2nd. Listen, a 3 meter wide path runs outside and around a rectangular park of length 125 meter and breadth 65 meter. Find the area of the path. Same question. This is the rectangular park. Suppose that this is the rectangular park student. ये आपका rectangular park है, और इसी rectangular park के outside 3 meter wide path है. This is 5 meter was given in the question number 1st. In question number 2nd, this value is changed, 3 meter, and this is 3 meter. So student, question is asking me find the area of the path. Same question, find the area of the path. ये तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1st से भी इजी है. In question number 1st, you need to find out the area of the path and area of the garden in hectare also. But in this question, only one question is asking you area of the path. Firstly, find the area of the large rectangle and then area of the rectangular park and subtract it. you will find the answer. So student, you will read the question number 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. Both are same, all are same as question number 1st. And you will solve yourself. This is your homework. Your homework is question number 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. As question number 1st you will solve it. It is homework for you. ये आपका homework है. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well, and this question is very most important for the view of your exam. So student, in my next video I will start the remaining question of this exercise, means from the question number 6 I will start this exercise. So thank you student, thank you very much.